Alex opened his laptop on a Monday afternoon. He wasn't bored. He wasn't gambling. He thought he was about to change his financial future. He had just watched a few Forex YouTube videos, people flipping small accounts into big profits, screenshots of $10 turning into $1,000, charts flying up and to the right. Alex believed what millions of beginners believe, that Forex is easy, that all you need is the right strategy, and that the market is full of free money waiting to be taken. What Alex didn't know yet is that the market doesn't reward excitement. It rewards patience, discipline, and understanding the hidden rules. Alex deposited his first $500. To him, that wasn't capital. It was a test run, something he could afford to lose. But emotionally, it already felt like the beginning of something big. He opened his trading platform, clicked through currency pairs. Everything looked like opportunity. So Alex placed his first trade, and when it went green, he smiled. Because the first win is the most dangerous one. Over 70% of retail Forex traders lose money, not because they're stupid, but because they never understand the system they are playing inside. They trade emotionally, they over-leverage, they ignore costs. Alex was about to learn this the hard way. Every time Alex clicked buy or sell, money disappeared. Not from losing trades, from spreads. 1 pip here, 2 pips there, over and over again. By the end of the month, Alex had paid almost $300 in hidden trading costs, and he barely noticed it happening. Then Alex discovered leverage. 100 times power. 200 times power. It looked exciting. He went all in on one trade. Maximum size, maximum risk. The market moved slightly against him, and his $500 account dropped to $320 in minutes. Alex stared at his screen. He refreshed the app. He hoped it was a glitch. It wasn't. He felt angry, confused, and embarrassed. That's when Alex finally looked deeper, at spreads, fees, slippage. He realized something important. You can be right on direction and still lose money. Because your broker gets paid first. So Alex stopped trading and started researching brokers. He compared spreads, fees, regulation, withdrawals, and suddenly the game made sense. Alex returned to trading, but this time smarter. Smaller trades, lower leverage, better risk control. Slow growth replaced fast losses. If Alex had done this earlier, he would have saved thousands. That's why tools like Brokeranalysis.com exist, so you can compare brokers properly and avoid expensive beginner mistakes. Spreads matter. Fees matter. Broker quality matters. Trading is not about being perfect. It's about surviving long enough to grow. Most traders never learn this. They deposit again, lose again, then quit quietly. Alex chose a different path. Education, risk control, smart broker selection. That's how professionals survive. Before you deposit money, compare brokers first. Small decisions today become big results tomorrow. Visit Brokeranalysis.com and trade smarter, not harder. If this changed how you see Forex trading and brokers, hit that like button and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.